Are you professionally planning and executing transportation services? Free yourself from hardware management by CADIS SaaS. Instead of installing, upgrading, and maintaining software, you simply access selectable services via the internet, freeing yourself from any hardware management. CADIS SaaS is easy to use and simple to set up. Enjoy seamless updates. Always have the most up-to-date features and security. No hardware to maintain. No installation setup fees. Implement your transport management software exactly as you need it. All members of your network will be able to connect with other network members for a more collaborative working process, which will provide new opportunities. A software-as-a-service-based transport management system will provide users with real-time data that will allow you to monitor and track every part of the flow of goods and shipments processed. Because this cloud service is modular, it is easy to scale the service with your growth and adapt to changing business requirements. CADIS, your partner for digital excellence in transport logistics. Focus on your business, we handle the rest.